Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering fully off and unplugging the system. This prevents live current hazards. Once done, ground yourself. Either wear an anti-static strap or touch metal on the case, because static will fry components. Next, open the case and visually confirm the GTX 1070 and its 6/8-pin PCIe power connector. Make sure you can access both the rear PCI bracket screws and the card's power cable without forcing cables. You should unplug the PCIe power connectors by pressing the latch and pulling straight back. Twisting can damage plugs. Then remove the screws securing the card to the case rear bracket. Keep them for reinstallation. Once clear, find the small plastic latch at the end of the PCIe X16 slot and press it to release. After the latch clicks, pull the GPU straight out while gently rocking it to break the slot friction. Do not pry. Place the card on an anti-static surface. Once the card is out, inspect the PCIe slot and the GPU's gold contacts. Blow out dust with compressed air and avoid touching contacts. Reassemble the case enough to test. Reconnect the PSU, plug monitor to onboard video or a replacement GPU, and power on. If the system fails to post, power down and reseat the GPU and all power cables. Make sure the slot latch engages. If problems persist, reset the CMOS battery. This often clears configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.